Happy Tuesday, first graders. I hope you had an awesome long weekend and enjoyed some of the sunshine that we had. This is our math game of the week, and it's going to be hopefully helpful for you to practice some mental math with doubling and subtracting. So all you're going to need for this game is some paper, something to write with, to make the boxes with, and a die. If you're in 1B, you should have gotten a little yellow die in your materials bundle that you picked up from the school. If you don't happen to have a die, you can just make one of those spinners that we've made for a bunch of our other games, so you can spin the numbers that way. So to make the game mat, you're just going to need 4 boxes going across. We have roll, double, roll again, and difference. And I just made 3 rows here, so I'll show you 3 examples, but you can play it as many times as you want. So the first thing we're going to do is roll the die in that first roll box, and I got a 2. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to double that number. So 2 doubled is 4. Then I'm going to roll again, and the next number I roll, I'm going to subtract from 4 to find the difference. But I need to make sure that I roll a number of either 4 or smaller, because I can't take away a number bigger than 4 from 4, right? I couldn't do 4 minus 5 or 4 minus 6. So if I get one of those numbers, I'll just roll again. I got a 5, so I have to roll again. That's bigger than 4. 3. Right, so now 4 minus 3 equals 1. So the numbers will be pretty small because your die only goes up to 6. So try and challenge yourself to see how speedy you can be with solving the problems. Let's try another one. 5, double it is 10. Roll again. 4, 10 minus 4. It's one of our pairs that make 10. 6. Start with 3, double it is 6. 6 minus 4 equals 2. All right, friends, so there is roll, double, and difference. It's going to help us with our doubles facts because you have to double the numbers. It's going to help us with greater than, less than, or equal to because you can only take away a number that is equal to or less than the double that you have. And it's going to help us with our mental math and finding the difference between 2 single-digit numbers. So we'll leave this slide up all week. This is just our math game of the week for any extra practice if you have time. And it will also be helpful because moving on throughout this week, we're going to be working with number rules, which are similar to patterns like Miss Phrase introduced on Friday. And being able to solve these problems really quickly will make you able to solve and build number patterns a bit easier. So there's the math game of the week. Roll, double, and difference. Have some fun with it.